How to make your succulents colorful? It can be achieved by exposing your succulents to extreme conditions, like extreme sunlight, extreme cold, extreme lack of food, and lack of water, according to research. What stressor would you like to use? Sun, no water, no fertilizer, or extreme cold? Please let us know in the comments below. But for me, it's extreme sunlight exposure works best. Why? Because if you don't water them for too long, the plump leaves will turn thin. And I don't want that. Same goes if you don't fertilize them. So the best way to get a healthy looking yet colorful succulent is to expose them with extreme sunlight. Then your succulents will react to that extreme condition and produce lots of anthocyanins, which will turn your succulents into red, purple, or blue color. It's a way of protecting themselves from the harsh heat of the sun. See the result after 2 months of extreme sunlight. If you're a succulent lover, you must watch this next video.